What did you say? No, bachelor party speech. Friends are always honest. Friends forgive. Friends forgive. But I don't forgive you. You don't get to have friends. You're a little freak! You think I'm done with you? You think this ends here? It doesn't! It does for you. I know that look. I've had that look. He likes control, needs it. So I'll take it away from him. I killed Freebo. Sorry about that. Tied him up. Unlike this. Stabbed him in the left carotid artery. Used a 16-inch carbon steel bone saw to separate his limbs.